Welcome back to our channel. This is Tegere. Today we are going to unboxing the Vivo X90. It is basic model. Vivo totally launched 3 devices: Vivo X90, X90 Pro, and X90 Pro Plus. Okay, don't waste your time. Let's open the box. Inside the box, front side mobile phone here is covered on plastic wrapper. Put the phone side. It's a blue color. Yeah, I really love this color. Then more inside the box, front side, one more free TPU case here, and Type-C cable, and 120 watts adapter, and SIM adjusting tool, and some manuals. Yeah, it's 120 watts fast charger included in box. Overall, this is the box content. Let's look at the design. Design wise, compared to last model, it's a little bit different. I like this matte finished back, also this blue color. Okay, let's jump into the phone specifications. Display wise, this phone comes with 6.78 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display with curve finishing. Center notch, it's punch hole inside 32 megapixel front facing camera here. This phone running on Android 13 based on Origin OS 2.0. Phone bottom side Type-C port, speaker grills, and SIM card tray here, and right side volume rocker keys. This device comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9200. Benchmark price 11 lakhs something. Wow, it's really huge score. But how it's day-to-day life? This is quick unboxing. Coming up, we will review the depth. Have a great day.